Alright guys, this is Guitar Man playing...
We should just use our real names.
Just Guitar Man for now.
Okay. We'll introduce ourselves next video.
Playing White Noise online. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
I'm about to just turn off the lights now because we only needed that for the introduction.
Which one's this non-scary one? Which one's... That one looks...
They're all pretty scary.
Okay, you can turn on... No, just leave them on because it's really scary from them being...
No, I'm gonna turn it off.
Oh, I don't want to go to Nightmare.
Right there. That's the best. No, you gotta go to Nightmare.
Oh, you're making... Oh my god. I want to take a... This looks like a...
Okay.
This looks like a...
You have to go back to normal.
Right?
Hit X. No, B.
Uh-oh.
You have to hit X and go back to Nightmare. There you go.
You haven't done that. Okay, so... But that one looks like my home country as well. Yeah, I'll do this one.
You can read about your character.
I don't want to do that. It's too bad.
But this stuff, like the stuff at the bottom, that stuff's important. So.
Comment Curtis. You know. Okay, I'll do this one. These are the first one, and like the first one's the most basic.
Alrighty.
Is this like the friggin' pages? Oh, you're kidding. So.
Find all the tape recordings.
Pick up. Okay, so. There's water.
I'm gonna call it a crick. It's down by the crick.
Down by the river. That's not a river, it's a crick. Do we have like stamina so like does he like start dying or something if like you run too much?
He doesn't start dying, but he doesn't run as much.
Is it like a black hole ahead of us?
But it's kind of weird because sometimes you'll see stuff in the sky, like the trees. There might be one over there. There is sometimes one over there. You'll know if you hear it. You'll start hearing like a staticky noise. See there? Yeah, there is one right there.
Where is it? I don't know.
You hear it. They're big tape recordings. You should be able to find it.
Oh, the tape recorder is not the scary thing, right? What does scary thing sound like?
You'll know.
Oh no.
You'll know.
Scared, God.
Find the tape recorder.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Spoiler alert. Oh. Holy crap! That's huge.
Told you. I don't know why tape recordings are that big.
Oh my gosh. Can you jump? Nope.
Keep going. That's where the... What are you doing? Don't stand there. It's usually on the side. Right. Oh, right there.
Hey, look.
Be careful when you turn around, because you're at like a corner right now.
I'm gonna see what's behind me. Oh, that was...
There's nothing. Trust me, you'll know when you see him. Get out of there, Tyler. Come on. Tyler has never played this game before. I've told him about it. It's his first time.
Oh, God. Oh, no, it's a hand. That's freaking scary.
Did you hear him?
Oh, that's good. What?
You didn't hear him? Keep going.
That was him? Oh, my God, that was me. Freaking crap. Is there one on the hand? He's growling.
Oh, don't look at that green pillar. That's how he teleports closer to you. Just don't look at it. You'll be fine walking right next to it. Just don't look at it.
God.
Oh
God! Oh my God!
Tyler, you can't just walk. Sometimes you have to sprint.
Oh, you have to. Does he like creep up behind you?
Yeah, sometimes. Just don't turn around.
I can't see. Jennifer, protect me.
Oh, you're back to here.
Goodbye.
You're going in circles.
Well, that's good because he's not following. He's not behind me.
Yeah, but then you're not gonna find all 8 of them.
Oh, he's not as scary as I thought he was. Where did he go? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who is that? It's not me, is it? Nope, that's not me. That's freaking scary. Is that a ghost? Hey.
This is so funny.
I think I saw myself. I think I'm dead already. Oh my god! Don't do that to me, creepy man.
He's capturing your soul.
Oh, screw him.
There might be one up here by these pillars.
He's breathing.
Go down that way. It's right there, you see it? You go, Tyler. I think the first time I played this, I only got 2 of them.
3. Yes. Freaking, like, God.
Spoiler.
Where is he? Where is he?
Spoiler alert. Coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there may be some by the dragons. No, but spoiler is...
What if I found all...
Yeah, there's one over there. I think it's in that one's mouth. Yep. What did you say, Tyler?
What? I don't know. I would kind of...
And the crazy things start happening after 4 recordings are found. Not even joking. That's when all the bad stuff happens.
Have you beat it? No, yeah, you said you beat it. Like, oh
I beat it.
God.
I've beaten it 3 times.
Fence.
Where are you going, Tyler? You're going in circles.
There's a wall. Oh my god! Oh my god! How do you turn off the freaking flashlight again? Oh yeah.
Oh, you're running out of battery power too.
Oh my god! You're kidding me.
Hit X.
No.
No, it's your flashlight. Just hit X. You see how it's flickering? It means you're running out of power.
I'm freaking scared right now. Oh, it's the freaking thing again.
And then the wall's right there.
Wait, can I go in there?
No, you can't.
Oh, dang.
You are completely caged in.
Wait, is there... Yeah, there's still stuff over here. Well, I don't know what to do and I don't want to look behind me. Oh my god.
Is that why you don't want to look behind you?
Oh my god. Oh my... Okay, there's snakes.
Yeah, guys, sorry it's a little hard to see. We don't have very good equipment, as you can tell. And
get some, though.
Second of all, doesn't have his flash.
Oh yeah, my god. Oh my god.
Are you okay? Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one.
Oh my god.
All right, you want to see your replay?
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
You fucking like knocked into me. I love how you found the ghost. That never happened in my game. Like I never found the ghost. Let your pants come down. How many times did you scream?
I don't know, a lot.
Let's find out. Well, it'll show up in a exclamation point.
Oh, it like listens?
Like right there. Like that's no. It just like knows when you scream. See, and then you went back to the spawn. And then you loop back around and end up back where you came from.
I ended up... Oh, it's so freaking scary. We don't have to play that again, do we?
We don't have to? Is that what you said?
Yeah, we don't have
You went back through the same path 3 times.
Oh, I got freaking shakes.
4 scares. That's a white noise online, everybody. Yeah.
It's freaking scary. I'm gonna have to show my girlfriend.
Shut up, hamster.